What's up guys? Welcome to this tutorial. So today I'm going to teach you everything about Canva tools, how you can use it. So for this tutorial we're going to start a design from scratch. So let's pick on Instagram post. So here are some of the free templates that Canva has for us, but we want to start our design from scratch. Let's click it. So Canva asking us to start start by picking a template A. But since we are not interested, we're going to click on back. Now we have a blank. So first thing here you are going to do is to add a background to this plain sheet. So you can just do that by clicking on replace, then search background A. So here you can choose any background of your choice. So I'm going to pick this for this tutorial. Okay, so next is to introduce the tools we can use here on Canva and how to use them. So to add anything here, you will click on the plus icon right at the left, right here at the left bottom of the screen. So after clicking on that, it will load this interface. So here you can click series of templates. You can use series of free templates from Canva if you wish to use templates. So clicking on elements, there are series of elements here that can help in your designs. So from the elements here we have lines, arrows, circle, theme, rectangle shapes, line, art, border, box, etc. So you're just going to click on whatever you need if it is fun. Okay, you see here they have all the graphics or icon for phone. So you can just search anything you want here and then use it for the purpose of your design. So I'm going to get in this. Yes, I'm going to get in this for this tutorial. So introducing the function right here at the bottom of the screen, you have replace function in which you can use to replace a particular element that you highlight. When I want to replace the background, I click on replace here. So I pick another element. Once I pick it, it will replace it with that element. So that is that for replace. Here you see delete. You can delete whatever element you select. I have deleted it. And if you delete and you don't wish to delete again, you can undo right here by clicking this curved arrow. So you can see I have the element back. So let's continue with the introduction. Here we have duplicates. So you can duplicate the icon, the selected icon like this. Make it into two. You can still duplicate more and more till you are satisfied with it. So let's go ahead and delete some duplicates. Click on it, you delete, you click on it, you delete. So now here we have effects. So this effect is to change the design of a certain image that you are using. So we are not able to change it here because the kind of image you are selecting here is image from Canva and does not support that function. So Canva also have background remover tools for pro fashion, but you have to pay for that. So I'll teach you how to remove background for free using BG image remover background. So you don't need to pay for Canva if you want to remove any image. You can just click on your Chrome browser, you open it, then you click on www.bgremover www.remove.bg. So here is the website. You can just upload any image you want to remove its background. So once you click on the image, you see the background has been removed. After you are done with that, you can download the image. So I just branch here. I'm not in need of this for this tutorial. So you can remove your BG for free there. No need to pay for Canva. So now back to the tutorial. That's that for effects. Effects, we cannot use it here. Okay. Then filter. Filter is also a kind of function that change the color, the design, opacity of whatever element you are picking. So you can just do that. Let's click none for this. So you can also adjust the brightness of the pictures, set off the contrast, tint, blur, and all this when you are selecting image. So you can do that here. Alright, so you can also crop whatever image you are selecting. You've cropped it. Let's undo that crop. Okay. Flip. So you can flip your image vice versa from horizontal and vertical. So then animation. You can add a series of animation into your design. So that is just for that. And here, transparency. This shows how much you want a certain element to show on your design. So transparency is used for various design purposes. Alright, let's leave it for 100 for this tutorial. And here we have positioning. So here, this is where you can decided to move. Let me get in another element here, so we'll be able to use this. So let's assume we are putting this graphics in here. Now we want to position which one should come on top. We want to send this back. Now let's go to position. You can see we can send it backward right here. So already the phone image has been sent to the background. The reason why you are seeing this red background is because this Samsung phone was a frame. It was a frame that we selected from our Canva template. So we can replace that frame. Like we can put an image inside that frame. Is that wrong? Okay, let's proceed for this tutorial. Then notch, there was error there, so we need to fix it some other times so that we won't be branching. We'll be able to cover the screen for this tutorial. Now, here we have notch. So now this notch function allow you to shift elements to whatever direction you choose. If you are steering it off, you can click the up arrow here. Can you see? Can you see? You can move it down here by clicking the down arrow. And if you decide to move it to the right side, you will click on the arrow that was pointing to the right side. So that is all for this tutorial. And after you are done with the design, you can convert the design to image just by clicking the download arrow right here. So after you click this arrow, you will be able to save your pictures or your design as image. Then you save. It is preparing your design. After this, you will be able to save whatever you have designed on your Canva. So the design is done. Thanks. Please make sure you subscribe for this channel so that you'll be updated whenever I posted video showing how to do more graphics design on this channel. Thank you.